as he's going to win this match by TK.
Imanari rolls again.
In the past, chooses to spend a lot of time on his feet.
There's been a lot of posturing, a lot of posing. Imanari looks to close down the ring now, edges his way forward. Imanari turns side on, gets a leg kick for his troubles. Fourth Dan by one belt.
You have stifled Dae Kim. There's not a lot that he's doing. I mean, you have anybody walk up to you and show you the side of their face, you're going to unload on him, but
Fights. Oh, Dae Kim caught him with the left hand. Doing a quick counter piece to the world. Catches the leg. Oh, and he pulls guard. There's Imanari and takes a hammer fist to the head. The ground and pound from Dae Kim. Look at him go. The little man unloaded.
Imanari's all right. Now he's diving for the leg. He's got that leg hooked. He'll get him to extend the hips now. There's a massive
Oh,
kick.
big trouble for Dae Kim. Imanari's got his leg.
I like how Kim pried that leg off.
He rolls again. Grabs hold of the leg. The Imanari roll. Has he got him locked up here?
Forward outside heel hook there. It's deep. Spins out of it, though. That's good. The leg entanglement is tight.
Breaking the neck here is Dae Kim. Ground and pound. Leg still tied up by Imanari. That's a good. Final seconds. Imanari hunting for a sub now.
Oh, he's got it. There's that leg, but Dae Kim's doing a good job. Here's that TK. Here's that power.
Mission attempts. Non-taekwondo guy.
He's mixing it up, and he's been in there so many times at 42 years.
The jab does the Korean. Outside leg in from Imanari. Throws the legs up now. What can he affect? Tries for the arm.
Goes to the arm, but immediately transitions right into the leg. Swings that leg to the outside now, leg in to the cross, but Dae Kim really can't advance the position. He's covering up. He's not taking a lot, aren't inflicting a lot of damage on him, but now he's starting to move out and under guard. This is superior striking.
Victory on it. The height of the knee from forearm across the throat. The chin of Imanari.
Good top pressure. He's working out. He's pinned down the arm in the crucifix position. He's getting it out. He popped that leg out. Now he's in.
Establishes his dominance. Imanari tries for a final roll, but it's too little too late from the Japanese warrior.